Hey, it's the Forest Monk. I never thought I'd be happy to say that I'm missing an overland trip, like a two-day overland trip. But with that in mind, I'm killing two birds with one stone. So I get to bring a friend of mine out and get her shooting out to distance, probably the farthest distance she's ever shot. Looks like we're gonna have some wind, so it'll be fun. And then I'm gonna stay the night at that location. So kind of a half range day, half overland. Still pictures to come, obviously, and then some setup. I'm gonna do a whole setup and see how it goes, because yeah, it'll be fun. Wish me luck, and remember, do what you can to stay outside as often as you possibly can. Live life to its fullest. So straight up 0.5.
Okay.
I'm up. Impact, good hit, good solid hit. Okay, now back to the 530. And you're gonna hold the 3.5 below the crosshair and to the right 1. Impact. Woohoo. Okay, now you're gonna go.
When?
Here we go. 0.5. 3.5 and 1. Impact. 2.5. Oh, the flasher does work. And 0.5. 2.5.
Oh, I see the flasher now.
3.5 and 1. 0.5. 3.5 and 1. Sounds like a song. Oh, I mic'd that. The wind dropped off. Ooh, that one smacked, eh? And 0.5.
That was a loud hit.
I missed one. Blame it on the wind.
Okay, shoot her up.
I'm on. There it is.
I went right for center.
Okay. Follow it up. .633. There you go. Just wrapped up a good day of shooting. Nothing beats having a student and a friend, watching them ring steel for the first time at the longest distance they ever shot. Today it was just over 900 yards, so that was good. Just to do a quick build, 2012 Tundra, 35-inch Cooper ST Max, 6-inch lift, rooftop tent. Try not to stare into the sun. I got my Luna. That's my girl. She's a good girl. Home done drawer system. Super easy to move in and out. It's on rollers. Toolbox, goodies, and then up front's recovery gear, high lift jack, shovel, axe. This is always locked for any of you criminals. This is where my barbecue sits. Fuel tanks, kebabs. It's what's for dinner. And some avocado, cheese, mustard for the kebabs, some fresh hot black coffee, a little multi-fuel stove. Very cool stove. I'm very happy with it. Propane, isobutane, or butane canisters. Very versatile. And on propane, it's like a missile. But yeah, there's the Red Baron. Sun's about to set. It's going to be a great night, I think. Maybe -1. Hard to believe that there was like 4 inches of snow here yesterday. Cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll cobble this thing together. Oh, that table folds and slides in underneath the rack. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and more to come. Cheers. What's for dinner? Pork kebabs, avocado, Tex-Mex cheese, and some good old-fashioned plain mustard. And of course, coffee. That was a near perfect day. Right, Luna? So what would make today better? I'm going to watch the sun go down. Clear skies. Start looking for some cool things up there. Maybe see myself a UFO. Maybe hear myself a Sasquatch. I don't know. With the amount of shooting we did today, I don't think I'm going to hear much tonight. Well, that's a wrap on my way home. And good night. Super clear, lots of planets to be seen. I'm gonna have to start bringing a spotting scope as well as my binos. Pretty cool. Slept, I would say, okay. Not as good as I should have, but it wasn't because of the dog or anything like being cold. It did go to -3. I had sandhill cranes around me all night making that weird noise that they make, and I was set up in a field, but yeah, it was pretty funny. Anyways, great weekend. Super pumped to have Nikki out, and yeah, can't wait to do it again. And next weekend is a match, and then fingers crossed I will be camping multi-days every weekend that I'm not away for work or shooting. Yeah, anyways, that's the plan, and we'll do more of the setup in the next video.